Because if we use blockchain to deal with property and distributed ledger technology to deal with property and to deal with identity and to deal with proof, because that's what a certificate is, and to deal with our health, then why are we not using it to deal with transactions?
Blockchain goes beyond financial systems. Its value really comes down to being able to represent data integrally without having a central resource to validate that data's existence or authenticity. Blockchain allows us to represent the physical world digitally, and it is the first time that we have had economic value and communication meet. And from that basis, that really has a lot of positive changes to bring to the region like the Caribbean.
Blockchain technology provides a level of security that we can't get with other types of technology right now. And there's a lot of innovation taking place in the blockchain space because of how much security it provides. So for example, blockchain-based voting, blockchain-based record keeping for governments, blockchain for the health sector in terms of keeping people's records secure on the blockchain. And so the nature of the technology itself lends itself to security and auditability, and then it puts records in a place and in a way that nobody can go in and tamper with it after the fact.
For financial systems, this translates into unprecedented resilience. But much like email facilitates communication without completely replacing letters, digital currencies can facilitate payment transactions without completely replacing notes and coins.
Blockchain technology is complex to those of us that are not technologists. But let me tell you this, I ran an e-commerce company for many, many years, and I cannot tell you the first thing about HTTP protocol. But I know how I use the internet to run a business, and I know how I use it to make my life better. You do not need to know the node and talk the code of blockchain technology. You just need to know that there's an application that lets you participate in the 21st century.
And one of the second biggest potential plays is the integration of the region, because now we have efficiency of the management of resources, and we already have a trade and collaborative effort towards doing that, but now we can remove the human error from that operational side of things. And removing that human error allows us to start trusting in the system more. And the more trust that we can bring towards the system means the more utility from usage and integration. The more integration means the closer we are to One Caribbean.
I realize that this problem of regional intercurrency transactions is one of the biggest obstacles to integration. And I firmly believe that deeper integration is going to promote economic growth and economic development in the region.